So after watching this, you would be getting one of these skills for sure. Guys, it's easy and it looks cool and it'll build you some strength in the long run. Like, it might take you a day or probably a couple minutes after this video to learn one of them. All right, cool? Sounds good? Alright, what's good everyone? It's your boy Ginasa with another video. Now listen, today I'm going to teach you guys some skills which are far easier than they look. They're bodyweight skills, calisthenics, you name it. Listen, I've been repping out some videos as well. I just made a muscle up tutorial and a handstand press up tutorial. I'm exhausted. But anyway, I got you, motherfucker. What was the first exercise? Yeah, first exercise. Okay, the first exercise skill is the L-sit, which is this one. But maybe having your legs out straight, unless you're flexible, by the way. If you have good hamstring flexibility, this should be easy for you to get it on the first time. However, if you don't and you don't have any strength at all, what you can do is you can tuck your knees and lift yourself off the ground. Now, the way I actually did it on my first ever attempt, I was crossing my legs like this and I lifted myself from here. Not the bottom of the palms, but here on the calluses part. This worked on the first attempt. I don't know, I just did this and I was able to hold it off the ground. But if you guys try this, just tuck your knees. You can cross your legs. You can also tuck one knee and have one leg straight, or the other way around. You can, I don't know, straddle your legs. I'm getting into weird positions, I don't know, but something like this, however you want to do it. But you can lift your butt off the ground, you're good. All right, the second skill is a frog stand, everyone's favorite. This one. Now, when you're starting out and it's your first time, bend your elbows like this, okay? Now what you want to do is you want to place your knee, like this part of your leg, here on the triceps and on the elbow where it's bent. So what you're doing with your knees on your elbows is that you're getting a grip of your lower body, so it's not slippery. You don't want to put it on your triceps, you want to put it around like you're wrapping it. Okay, use your fingers to push back. It's like you're grabbing the ground, and it should look something like this. Okay, very easy. You just want to bend your elbow slowly get your feet off the ground and hold it in that position. This is one of my favorite because in the future it gets you to like complex skills like the handstand press ups, which looks something like this. All right, so this is a very overpowered skill to learn, and just do on your first day. It's impressive. Actually, there's one thing you can do with this skill, like immediately right now, which 99% of you can actually do it. You go from a frog stand to a headstand. Now you can have a wall behind you, but you want to go like this on your head and lift your legs. Okay, you guys can literally look like you have superhuman strength within a couple of minutes. Instead of scrolling down your phone, watching some useless videos on TikTok, Instagram, whatever. Do this, man. Now, the final one, I believe this is what most of you are waiting for, the elbow lever. What you want to do is this. Have your elbows on your stomach. Your arms are like rotated out to the side. And you want to place it and eventually straighten your legs, okay? Now, having your legs straight is difficult. What you can do is kind of have a frog position, okay? So like this, much easier. Then you can straddle and eventually you'll have it straight. This literally looks like you're carrying your whole body weight and you're floating in the air. Well, technically you're carrying your body weight. If you guys are interested in building superhuman strength, changing your physique, all body weight exercises, and getting into calisthenics, check out the programs. The links are in the description. They're absolutely amazing. It's helping a lot of people and it will help you. All right, guys, this is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe for more upcoming videos and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.